Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian, and today we are going to look at a local invite PDF. So this is a letter or an email actually that you can send out in your pre-launch phase or the pre-launch process to invite and excite and inspire and motivate people to want to join your directory. Again, this is a pre-launch invite, and there are some unique little psychological triggers in here. I'm going to explain those in this very short audio. And again, this is not magic. It's not genius. It's just a very simple email that is designed to get people to notice you and to create some level of brand awareness for your directory, for your community, and ultimately for your agency. And again, this is for those of you who are trying to build a big business and using the authority site model or the directory as a way of creating the appearance of expertise and authority in a local marketplace. All right, there's a different one of these for a niche community. You'll get that in a couple of days as well. All right, so hi, my name is Ian from, and in this case I'm using discoverdelray.com. This is our example site using the mylisting theme. So hi, my name is Ian from discoverdelray.com. Our goal is to become the definitive resource for everything happening here in Delray Beach, Florida, and we plan on adding every business listed in Delray by XYZ date. All right, and the thought here is you're creating some urgency and a sense of certainty and a sense of import or importance around what you're doing, right? Your project goal is to have every business. So you're insinuating or intimating that they're going to be involved whether they want to be or not, right? So line 2 or paragraph 2, we're starting by adding the businesses that we feel are the absolute best of the best, or our favorite spots, or whatever you write here, and we'd love for you to join us. All right, so essentially you're appealing to their ego here and sense of status. You can even write something like, we've asked our community of locals to suggest the 100 best businesses to begin with, and you've been selected. You can add whatever you want into this section. It really matters not, as long as you're appealing to their ego and sense of status in the community. Section 3, when you add your own listing, you get these benefits. All right, so you're telling them that you're going to add everybody, but when they add their own listing, they're going to get the following things. And you're appealing to an action now orientation, right? So you want them to feel the benefits of taking action on their own listing rather than you adding them later. Next section, when you add your listing in our pre-launch phase, you also get, so you're doing the and there's more kind of motif here, right? So you're still appealing to urgency and action now. All right, the next section, something like all listings are free, and for these and for those months or moments where you really want to build some extra buzz for your business or get some extra attention, we have even more features that you can add to your listing, guaranteed to generate all sorts of boots in your business. So you can add events and products and coupons and videos and interviews and all sorts of things with our premium listings. See some of those here. This is really important. You're going to link social proof, and you're going to have a bunch of pre-added listings that are the best of the best, the most well-known local businesses in the area that you've added and made premium. All right, the next step is just a sign-off where you'll say we have a fun, vibrant, and exciting launch coming up in 30 days, the time you decide to add or to include, and we really hope you'll join us. And you want to give them a decent amount of time away. So 30 days is good for me because it gives you the ability to do some follow-up emails that aren't, kind of annoying, and kind of let them know that, it's still a short enough period of time away that they should take action now. All right. In the next section, you have a PS where you actually are going to promote something. I'll cover that in the next audio because I'm running out of time on this one. 5 minutes is my limit. All right, hope this helps, and the download you can download in your member section below. Thanks so much.